Friday. Every Friday gives us a reason to be happy, no matter what date it is. So today is October 13th, and I am giving away a fun set of oval nesting dies. I know that's really close. Anyway, this is fabulous, and somebody entered to win last week. Let's see. We're going to get the comments from last week's video. It is a Friday giveaway, and I allow you to enter every day, and even if you share, you can enter again. So let's see who is going to win. We've got 73 entries. That's amazing. Thanks, everyone. So let's pick a winner. It's really fast, I am telling you. So let's see. And it's Bam Bam. Bam Bam, do I have your information? I am not sure since some of the YouTube names changed. So if you could go back to your entry last week and comment on it, I will get your address from you, connect with you, get your address so that I can send you your prize. Congratulations. So glad that you entered. Now, some of you may be thinking, how do I enter to win next Friday's giveaway? Because I do celebrate my subscribers. And next Friday's giveaway is the exact same set, another oval nesting die set. And I'm excited for you to enter for that. So October 20th will be the next giveaway for this particular Friday giveaway. How do you enter? Well, number one, you become a subscriber if you're not already, because this is celebrating my subscribers. I kind of started this every week back during the COVID time as a way to just, you know, brighten everybody's day. And we've just continued it, or I've just continued it. Anyway, number one, you do need to be a subscriber. Number two, enter the words Friday giveaway in the comments. That's really all you have to do. Then you do need to be 18 or older, US or Canada only. You can enter every day by putting the words Friday giveaway in the comments. And if you share the video, you can enter again. So these nesty dies are pretty amazing. If you have a die cutting machine, you would probably really like to have these. Also, if you don't, you can even use them as a stencil and cut around it. So awesome prize for October. Now, if you have already won something in the last couple weeks, I went out of town and I'm a little behind on getting everything in the mail, but I have everyone's prize or our Monday, Tuesday craft and games giveaways. I have everything ready to go, and I will finish it up this weekend and get in the mail next week. So thanks so much for your patience on that. Congratulations to Bam Bam. Make sure that you connect with me, Bam Bam, in your comment from last week on the video so that I can make sure it's you and get connected with you to get an address. Make sure I have it. Anyway, thanks so much. Happy Friday, and talk to you soon.